Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off touch gestures of your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to be connected with your JBL headphones application, and next you have to select your earbuds. Right now we have to scroll down and go to the gestures. Click on this arrow and you can turn off gestures for the left and the right earbud. For example, we can do this for the right one, so click right here and then tap on this arrow. If you want to turn off any gestures, just click right here at the last option. And as you can see, right now we only left this call control. And we can do the same for the left one. And as you can see, to perform this process, we have to restart our headphones. Not reset, just simply restart, so they will simply turn off and then turn on. So as you can see, that's how we can do this. Hope you like it.